The TikTok Uncanny Valley makeup trend is all over my For You page! I need to do something about it! I must make art. Here are some examples from other creators to see what other people have done. From what I can tell, that most people tend to do the same thing where they cover their eyebrows and then they go over it, and they all have a sense of like way of contouring that seems similar, where it's rounded near the bottom, and I hope that I can do something similar to try to recreate it. And the last video that I show is definitely one of my favorites. Something I completely forgot to mention, here's the list of the TikTok creators that I took reference for their videos for. If you want, go check out their full videos on their accounts. Thank you. The last one, Blonde Iced Coffee, was definitely a major inspiration for me because it was the first one I ended up seeing personally, and I definitely do think that you should check out the original video for that one. Look how badly I abuse my hair clip. This is the last one I have, and I need to buy more. Bro, what is it holding? Let's do this. A pattern I noticed about Uncanny Valley makeup, it's always making your facial features look slightly out of place to make it look a little wonky. Like, some people put foundation over their lips and then like extend the area on like the edges here. They would accentuate the bridge right here under the eye. And then what they would do, they put like a little bit of black to make the pupils look bigger than they actually are. When it came to the contouring, they would change their cheekbone structure in a way where it just looks very out of place. And I'm going to try to recreate that. So, life update. I got into a university, an early acceptance, which is really, really cool. Hopefully, you know, they don't refuse me because of how horrid this makeup is going to look. I always like to put a crap ton of concealer right under my eyes because I always get the worst eye bags, but I don't think it matters too much for this makeup because the purpose is supposed to be creepy. But let's just see. For my contouring, I tried to go really off of like how my normal facial features are. It looks really weird right now, but it's supposed to look okay when I blend it. Maybe it looks better in the mirror. Ooga booga. I think it's gonna turn out okay. I'm not completely sure because it's the first time I'm trying this, and hopefully it works out. Yeah! The plan is I'm gonna try blending it a little bit, and then afterwards I'm just gonna kind of see how it kind of looks, what I'm gonna do with my eyebrows, and whether or not I want to go over it again. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm gonna be honest with you. I did this. I didn't really see many other people do it, but I did this to make it look like my chin is just protruding. Because most of the time when you're doing nice looking makeup, you want to look a certain way. But when you're doing makeup, you want to look scary. I guess the intention is to look gross. A lot of people do like the really low contouring. I think I want to go over here with like foundation because I think I might have messed up a little. I normally do cosplay. Makeup isn't really my thing. Sewing is. I tried going over the contour again. You know how people have like those expensive looking makeup brushes? Yeah, I'm limited to this freaking dollar store makeup. At least I think it is. I don't know. It's a hand-me-down makeup container. This for color. These things that are overused. You could tell I worked them to the bone. And then all I have is this. And it's holding on for dear life. I'm gonna need new foundation soon. I don't want to spend money. I am poor. I redid the contour. I'm gonna go over it again. Hopefully it looks a lot more accentuated than it did the first time. Wanna know what I use for my eyes and like eye makeup? This is what I use. I am so poor and I'm running low. This bag used to be filled. I also use that for my my pencil liner and like sometimes my eyeliner, because I have like no eyeliner anymore. You know when you are really low on funds and you're just using whatever you have? That's me. I put a pillow on the ground for this, but yeah, I'm going to cover my eyebrows. I want them to look hidden. Oh crap, maybe I should have put orange on them first. I know there's like this kind of foundation, I think it's a foundation, that normally people use to hide like their beards. I do not have a beard, so I do not have that, and therefore I cannot hide my eyebrows. Hopefully this will work. I'm just using eyeshadow. What am I doing with my life? I don't think this is working. I'm just gonna try to cover them in orange, then I'll go over them with foundation, and then hopefully I'll be able to hide my eyebrows, and then I'll draw them somewhere higher up. That's supposed to be what most people do, or they'll like cover the edges in foundation, and then they'll like repaint their eyebrows more a little higher. But what I think I'm just gonna do is redraw my eyebrows entirely, and I look like an Oompa Loompa. I love cosplay, but I'm starting to think that maybe makeup is not my strong suit. But I don't know. We'll see. So this is one layer. What I think I'm gonna do is gonna put orange foundation, orange foundation, orange foundation. They look funny. From far away, it looks especially scary. But I think that the eyes look a little weird, so I'm gonna outline them. White eyeliner to kind of shape them better. And then we're gonna turn off the lights and see. Boo! For most of my content, I normally do cosplay and makeup tutorials. So if you like sewing, cosplay, anime, video games, anything like that, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Hopefully this helped you. Also, yay, it worked. I was really not sure it would work, but it did.